Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2006 Toyota Corolla LE. I love this era of car, especially the basic cars. They just, I don't know, I was 6 years old when this thing was brand new. I was born in 99. And this thing is in absolutely spectacular shape. Yeah, I doubt they would put a trunk latch there. Let's take a look in the back. Look at that. This thing's mint. So this is an LE, has the automatic. Oh, I was gonna say it's mint except for that. Does that even affect on the... Yeah, it's just a little... So it looks like, yeah, no side airbags. So you got 2 airbags. Back of the era where 2 airbags was a good amount of airbags. 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder, 126 or 128. I want to say it's 126 horse. Huh? Where do you put the dang hood release? Over here. Boing. I hope to God that's not broken. This thing's definitely been painted. Oh jeez. There is a ton of room in here. I mean, look at this. That's the thing. These things are so simple. This was like towards the end of when cars like this were simple. Look at this. And this hasn't even been detailed yet. This thing is in mint condition. I loved this steering wheel. Oh yeah. Nice backup camera right here. This looks like it's an aftermarket rearview mirror. It may not be though. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, everything here is utilitarian. It's just kind of... Actually, these are pretty cool to look at. Now, the old books and manuals. It's just really, really cool. We are in drive. This is just a little loose. Oh, that's dating. That's dating the car right there. The one thing with being so basic is visibility is spectacular. I mean, I have no blind spots except for maybe a pencil. Turbo mode. Turn the AC off. So yeah, it ain't fast, but it's functional. We'll say this is a microscopic fuel tank because I put 2 gallons in it and it gave me a half tank. So I don't know how accurate that is. This is all original, so You do have some sort of manual mode, because I do believe this is either a 4 or a 5-speed auto. I want to say it's a 4, because you have overdrive off, you have 2, and you have low. It's so weird to think about too that I've seen so many of these in demolition derbies now, and this one just has been surviving. The clocks is set into the screen, so that's odd. But like, I've seen so many of these in like spectator drags and spectator flagpole races where these things just get smashed to smithereens. And this thing's just living. And it's mint, at least on the inside. Got skinny little tires. Come on, baby. Oh, it actually handles pretty well. I mean, these things weigh next to nothing. Only 99,000 miles. I loved the cloth that they used for these seats and everything. You know, it's really kind of funny because it reminds me of my childhood. If any of you guys went to Disney World and used the Disney's Magical Express, the cloth they use in the bus is the exact cloth that's used here. So every time I touch the seat and everything, I'm like taken back to that. I mean, that's the era that those buses were in use, was like 05, 06. I think it's when my family went on a Disney cruise, was like 03, 04. I remember some of my teachers driving this from elementary school. So it's kind of cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.